In this video, I will share with you how to get started in investing safely with less than $500. Come, let's go. You can see right here on the screen is the latest stock price. The stock market has just fallen, it's going up. To many people who have not invested before, it can be very confusing. But let me share with you, what if there's a way to invest without thinking too much but knowing that it's safe? Now, let me introduce you this thing called an ETF. And you can see this is the S&P 500 ETF. Meaning to say, you can just buy one single stock. The ticker symbol is SPY, and you can buy into 500 of the biggest and best stock in the US. Now, I heard a theory, and please follow me on this. What if every single year you just invest, let's say 1,000 or 2,000 into this S&P 500 SPY? Let me ask you, looking at the chart here, this is the stock price. When is the best time to invest? Is it at the highest or is it at the lowest? Think about it. If you want to buy something, do you want to buy it at a high price or a low price? If you say low price, congratulations, you are right. We want to buy it as cheap as possible. But what if we are not so skillful and every single year you decided to buy it, and after you buy it, you realize it is the high price and the price begin to fall? Do you then lose money? Now, I heard a theory that says that if you just buy but do not do anything, given time, you will still make money. So I did a study on my own to make sure that this theory is correct, and I found a method that may be very suitable for all of us to invest with, let's say, $1,000, $2,000 or even $500 if you want to get started. So let's take a look at this. Looking at my Excel spreadsheet, I did a study since 2008 all the way until today, 2018. You see there's ups and there's downs throughout the years, and there's a low point, there's a high point within that year. What if every year we invest $2,000 for the past 11 years? That's $22,000. And we want to compare. Will there be a big difference if we buy at a low point and a high point? Of course there is, because with $2,000, buying it at a high point, you will get, here, look at here, the red color portion, you will get lesser units as compared to when you buy at a low point. The low point, you will get more units, almost double that of the high point. So it's going to be very bad if you buy at the highest point, meaning to say you're paying very expensive for stocks. But will we eventually win money or lose money if every year we buy at the worst possible time ever? Follow me on this and you will blow your mind, because if we buy at the highest point ever, we have bought 128 units of SPY. And let's look at today's price. Today's price is 258.98, and the market has crashed recently. It is not at a very high point in time. So 258.98. Going back to our Excel spreadsheet, let's input this 258.98. I want you to take a look at this. If we have been investing for the past 11 years, I would say, 2,000 every year at the worst possible time, look at the red color bar, your $22,000 would have become $33,000. You could have made a 4.17% annual compounded annual rates. Is it fantastic? Not really, but let me remind you that every single year, S&P 500, if you buy this ETF, it will have given you about 2 to 3% of dividends as well. Meaning to say, for the past 11 years, every year, you would have made 6% when you invest at the worst possible time. So, imagine that, even if you are not skillful in investing and you manage to invest at the worst possible time every single year for the past 11 years, you could still be making money, because the stock market eventually always goes up given time. Let me show you this. This is for the past 5 years. Why does it always go up? Because of inflation, because of population growth. What does it mean? Inflation, prices go up, so does stock price, because every single company is making more money. Now, for population growth, there's more customer, the economy becomes better, eventually stock prices also go up. So, what have you learned from this short video? If you do not know how to invest, all you need to do is to invest in this thing called ETF. It will be much safer than buying individual stocks, because individual stocks may close down, but 500 of the best stocks in USA is unlikely to all close down at the same time, or all close down eventually. Okay, so this is a safe way of investing. Well, you may be only getting 4%, 5%, but if you are interested more into ETF, good news, I have a free gift for you to help you in your journey. I have this course called Wealth Hacks, and it is completely free for anybody who wants to learn how to invest. How do you access the Wealth Hacks? Go to this URL, I'll put it into the link below. It's called wealthhacks.teachable. Click on the link. You will come to this page where you can enroll into Wealth Hacks for free. Click on enroll now, and let me show you what you are going to receive. And once you log in, it takes just less than 1 to 2 minutes. You can see there are many things I've been teaching. Wealth hacks, how to be a stock millionaire, passive income as an author, property. This is the new curriculum, VETF. This is something that I did many years ago, and it has helped me make profits throughout these years in a very safe and simple method. There will be introduction to ETF. It will show you what is ETF, the fundamentals, the technicals, and finally, I'm sharing with you some of the rules and consolidation. Meaning to say, if you are short of time, just go to the final video, which is V5, VETF, rules and consolidation. Watch this video. It's just going to be 20 minutes. Probably you can even watch from the middle where I show you how to screen for ETF. You can go full screen and you can see exactly the rules, and that's it. You can start investing like me. Okay? I hope that this is going to help you. Please share this with your friend, because I hope that this is something that will continue to stay in case they take it down for some reason. But go ahead, watch it, consume the knowledge, and invest safely for this year and for the rest of the next 10, 11 years. Enjoy yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.